Alright, this is an assignment video. This assignment is very simple. I want it to look like this at the very end. You should have the ability to turn off the ambient. So I can go to default and I go to high quality rendering and see that you've separated out the meshes. In the hypershade, if I get to it, there we go. I should only see materials that are needed. So in other words, I should see a metal, a wood, corrugated metal, cement, and brick. Lambert 1 has to be there, and these two have to be there. Any others should be deleted. I should only see one texture. These should be named the way they should be named. That's what I'm looking at. Alright, next I'm looking for the uniformity of the UVs going across all surfaces with the brick. I'm looking for the UVs to be laid out correctly in all manner. So I should click on any one of these meshes and see that it has no overlap. They are all on the 0 to 1. Okay. Anytime I see overlap, I got to mark you down for the points. Good, good, good. Now, when you're finished, I need it like this, and I need it to be a package. You have to understand that this class is all about packaging. It's bigger than what you think. What we have to do is just go like this, File, Set Project. In this case, the project is going to be the one where it has the texture in it. So I got this folder called Game 245. In it is my Unit 4 IP. This is my folder. I set that as my folder. I'll say Create Default Workspace. Now, why is that important? Well, if we look at this, let's say I click on this texture right here, and I page down. Notice it has UV texture color map period TGA. If I didn't do this right, it would have like C drive, program files 86, Justin Bemantry's folder, yada yada yada. But we don't want that. We want the project to be an absolute, not a relative. Okay, so this is an absolute path. And a relative path would be, you know, like anybody's hard drive. It could be D, it could be whatever. But keep in mind that I don't have your hard drive in my house. So anytime I would open your project, it would fail. This will not fail. So I save the scene as, and I had to save it within that same folder. Save it, first name, last name, underscore, unit, and whatever unit I assign this to be. Usually this was unit 1, but hit continue, and then we go out to the folder and immediately zip it up. Okay, so here's my desktop, here's my Game 245. I need this folder that has, well, yours is not going to have all this hot mess in there. Yours is only going to have this one and this one in it. Okay? Mine has the video files for this chapter. Only has those two files. The rest is irrelevant, but you have to keep the Maya swatches, and I think the workspace Mel has to be in there also. So if you see those two, I don't look at those as far as that's concerned. When you're done, I need you to right click on this and zip it up. So send to compressed zip folder. And then I want that zip folder. The zip folder, I want you to rename it to your first name, last name. So once you zip it up, please rename the file first name, last name. Alright, so that's it. That's all I'm requiring for the assignment. I know that seems like a pretty big challenge, but yeah, this is a very in-depth class, so get used to it. You're going to be doing a lot of work here. Enjoy.